Hello once again, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Come and join me for my day 8, which is the final do-it-yourself testing that a traveler needs to undergo before the government hotel facility and the National Health Service releases you from your 10-day quarantine here in London, United Kingdom. I'm Adrian Rumite, and this is my channel. Before I go on with the final testing, let me just update you with the result of my day 2 testing conducted a couple days ago. And this is the result straight from the National Health Service. Now for today's testing, which is day 8 of my 10-day quarantine, here it goes. So guys, let's start the testing. So we need to open this swab. Okay, and be very careful not to touch the cotton of the swab because it will disinfect. It will affect the testing. So here's the swab. So it's the same procedure as we did last week. So here it goes. Okay, here it is. And then next, I'm gonna put the swab again on our nostril. Ready? Oh, okay. And this one. Oh. There you go. Then put it on the tube. Be careful. Put it, and then to close it tightly. So tightly, you need to close it tightly, and then put this absorbent to plastic. We seal it. There you go. There. Okay. So here it is. Then you put it in the box. And then
didn't see any sealer inside the package, so I just used this extra barcode thingy, and then that's it. So we're done with the testing, and tomorrow will be they're gonna inform us the result, and then well, cross fingers, hopefully it's gonna be negative again. So that's it, day 8 of the COVID-19 home testing kit. So here in London. Straight from the National Health Service, here's the result of my day 8 testing. Finally, all the results are out and all are negative, which means I can be transferred to my workplace and continue the remaining 4 days of isolation. Let's win this war against COVID-19 by continuously following health standards and protocols and by having ourselves vaccinated. Until my next video, thank you for watching.